Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. I hope you are doing well. I have a brand new subscription to our channel to open today, and this one is different than all my other boxes. I feel like I've said that a lot lately, which is super cool that we have such a diverse group of boxes to open this month. But I have the Cultures Cake Kit. This is what the box looks like. So this is not only new to me and our channel, this is a new subscription. So whenever I have a new subscription on our channel, I always pull up some information so both of us can learn about it. So before we begin, I just wanted to let you guys all know that I have a giveaway ending tonight. So if you have not yet entered my cover FX video, definitely do so. That ends at midnight Eastern Standard Time. Like all my giveaways, it is open international. And there are also two other giveaways going on my channel, so definitely check that out. I will leave all of the links down below. And of course, I will leave a link to the subscription as well. So what is Culture Cakes Kit? Culture's Cakes Kit is a new subscription box service that strives to spread culture through cupcakes. Yum! Each month a new country is featured, and each box comes with international snacks, plus a recipe, ingredients, and tools to turn a cultural flavor into the common cupcake. Doesn't that sound so good? I am currently on like a weight loss journey / diet / like intermittent fasting, all of that. So I haven't opened it yet, but I'm guessing whatever's in here is gonna be super yummy, and I'm gonna use it as my reward when I reach a milestone. So I'm super excited about that. But this is a subscription that's available on Cratejoy, so I pulled that up. And it says, explore the world with exotic ingredients to make unique cupcakes plus international snacks. So they offer two different subscription options. Actually, they have a mini and then the full size. And the mini culture snack kit is $10.99. And it says that the $10.99 version is snacks only. So each month you experience a different country with the discovery of snacks. Each box comes with 5 to 8 snack samples. And then the regular Culture Cakes Kit, why can't I speak? That's like a tongue twister. Culture's Cakes Kit is $16.66. And each month you experience a new country featuring worldly snacks, exotic ingredients, and a recipe to make a dozen fun cupcakes. That is awesome. And it says on here to use the code CRATEJOY at checkout for a special discount. I'm not sure exactly what that discount is, but I will leave all that information in the description box if you are interested in receiving this. This subscription ships only to the United States and Canada, and it says as long as you place your first order by the end of the month, these usually ship out around the 4th. Every order there is free shipping. So without further ado, let's unbox. When I open it up, this is what I see, and it says welcome to Hawaii. So it's a Hawaii themed box, and this is kind of heavy and jam-packed. And I'm guessing since Hawaii is part of the United States, we have the red, white, and blue little swigglies, which is an extra cute touch. So on the back of this card, there's some information. It says, this month we brought Hawaii to your doorstep with flavor of the islands. Hawaii is a melting pot of cultures due to a major immigration over time. Hawaiian food is influenced heavily by surrounding Polynesian culture and Japanese and Portuguese culture. Experience Hawaiian flavors like taro, macadamia nuts, laihimui, sorry, I can't speak very well, pineapple, and chantilly. This month's cupcake recipe is the Hawaiian chantilly cake. Very similar to German chocolate, but tropical. Check your email for the recipe. I actually did see that, and you can also go on their website right there. I did see the email and I didn't really think much about it. I should have known it. Alright, so here's a little card that's for me. It says thank you, and it says, hi Kitty, thanks so much for taking the time to review Culture Cakes Kit. By the end of this video, I'm going to be able to say that. We look forward to your feedback. Feel free to share the coupon code KITTY15 to your followers for 15% off their first box. Awesome! Okay, so I'm going to leave that code in the description box. Thank you so much for giving us a code. 15% off? That's awesome. And they have the website on here too, and I will leave that below. So thank you so much for sending this to me. This is so unique and fun. I can't wait to see what's inside. Right, so there's another card. So this lists everything that's inside, it looks like. It says discover. The first card said experience, so this is tells you more about the experience, and this is discover what items are inside. So I will leave this right next to me so I can reference this throughout the unboxing. god, this is full of stuff. The first thing I see is by Hawaiian Host. This is Matcha Max. Is that what it's called? You guys know I love matcha if you've been watching my videos. Green tea chocolate covered whole macadamias. This sounds so good and like a treat I wouldn't feel bad about having. Oh my god, yum. Let's see. This looks so good, you guys. I love matcha and I love nuts, and I will not feel guilty about having this as a snack. This looks so good. Let's see if the sheet says anything about it. So it says Hawaii staples with a touch of Japanese influence, just like Hawaii itself. Hawaiian macadamia nuts covered in Japanese matcha white chocolate. Yum! Oh my god, this is awesome. It's like one item and I'm already thrilled. Next thing, this is by Dragonfly. This is pineapple flavoring essence. So this is what it looks like. I wonder if this is for a recipe. Let's see. It says, get the tropical flavor of pineapple in your desserts next time with this pineapple essence. Cool, so this is something you bake with. This is super cool and unique. I definitely don't have anything like this in the house. And then we have Natural 12 Crispy Roll 12 Grain Non-Fried Energy Snack. Nice, this sounds like another thing I'm able to have with my diet. So it's made, the 12 things is made with, and it says vegetarian food on it, which is nice to know. Brown rice, pearl barley, buckwheat, oatmeal, peas, small red beans, husked lotus, corn, black glutinous rice, black soybeans, speckled kidney bean, and mung beans. Those are the 12 ingredients in here, I guess. Cool. And it says, although not a typical Hawaiian snack, the taro flavor is a staple to Hawaii, so we had to add the variety. I'm excited to try that out. This is so fun. Like, I've seen other people open like different like worldly snack boxes before, but I never have, and this one is so awesome. I love that I get to like cook later too. So the next thing is like a mix. It looks like a party mix, or let's see, it's by Shirakiku. Do you guys know what I'm talking about? I say party mix, but I feel like I'm like missing the actual word. It's like, let's see. So it's called Hot Made Kakemochi Mix, a blend of Japanese rice crackers including soy sauce, seaweed wrapped, and even wasabi peas. Interesting, this looks good. This would be like a nice thing at a party to like leave in a bowl. Like, that's why I said party blend or whatever I said. Like, it just reminds me of that. Cool. And there's a drink in here, I think. Hawaiian Sun Guava Nectar, non-carbonated. It contains 15% fruit juice. So yeah, this is definitely a drink. Let's read more about it. That's probably what made this so heavy. I don't see this on the card, so this isn't like another snack extra, so awesome. I'm excited to try this. Of course, my mind goes to like, oh, I wonder if this is good with like vodka. What time is it? It's 2 p.m. Okay, it's like not too early to think about that, right? Oh, I see some cute pineapple sprinkles for our cupcakes. You guys, I cannot wait to make the cupcakes, by the way. Oh my gosh. So sprinkles, you got a little pineapple. Sprinkles, yeah, that's exactly what they are. Look, I hope you guys can see how cute they are on the camera. Oh my god, these are the cutest sprinkles I think I have ever seen. Here is another one of the crispy rolls that I showed you before. And it looks like there's these little candy balls. What are these? It looks like they're in another language, like Japanese language. This is interesting. Here is what these look like. Can you guys see it? That in there? Okay, so I think what these are the Li Hung Mi, I'm sorry, I can't pronounce it. Dried salted plum is what it translates to. It is a Hawaiian favorite and is centered in a sweet candy coating. Okay, yeah, that's definitely what this is. But it says, hazard, do not swallow the center plum pit. So you can see here, let me see if you guys can tell. I don't know if you were able to see it before, but there definitely is like a little pit in there. So I guess you suck on this until you get to the pit and then you spit that out or throw that away. Next up is Chower's Tropical Candy Guava 15 pieces. I love like guava flavored things. This sounds so good. I haven't tried anything like any of these items. This is an American classic with the flavor of Hawaii, guava. And then there's little Milkita honeydew shake candy. This is what that looks like. Am I holding it upside down? I can't tell. So it says, melon has a huge fan base in Hawaii. This candy packs a huge creamy melon flavor in one bit. Awesome. And it looks like there's a couple of those that I just pulled out, the Milkitas. And next up is by No Foods of Hawaii, Hawaiian coconut pudding. Just add water, taste the flavor of Hawaii. This is what this looks like. I wonder if this is for our recipe. Yeah, I don't see this on the card, so I think this has to do with our recipe because the sprinkles are on here as well. So we're getting everything like this to make the cupcakes, the Hawaiian cupcakes, which sounds really good. And I think that is everything in here. So I'm just gonna pull up that recipe on my email since my MacBook's right in front of me and can see what that's all about. Yep, so about 5 days ago I got an email. It says, here's your culture cakes kit. I said it right that time, Hawaiian recipe. And it says, May Day is Lei Day. Spread the aloha spirit all month long with our Hawaii Culture Cakes kit. Did you know Lei Day is the celebration of Hawaiian culture? On this holiday, each island celebrates a little differently with parades, festivals, and spreading the aloha spirit by giving out leis. We know that our Hawaiian Culture Cakes kit will give a taste of that aloha spirit. Keep reading and get your Hawaiian chantilly cupcake recipe below. I bet I'm saying that chantilly word wrong, but let's see. So it says Culture Cake Kit. Oh, I said it wrong again. Culture Cakes Kit is all about exploring the world with your sweet tooth. This month we're exploring Hawaii with the simple delight everyone loves, Hawaii chantilly cupcakes. And I think I said this earlier, but it says it's comparable to German chocolate cake, but with a tropical twist. The flavor is all about the chantilly frosting, a smooth, silky frosting with the flavor of butterscotch and coconut. Oh my god, that's like exactly what I love. This looks so yummy. Oh my god, I'm going to include a photo of their picture on this email of what it looks like. So it says, the Hawaiian favorite is all about the frosting. Make your favorite milk chocolate cake recipe to pair with this yummy frosting. So it looks like you need some evaporated milk, white sugar, brown sugar, 3 egg yolks, some butter, vanilla extract, flaked coconut, and chopped macadamia nuts. So that is for all the frosting and stuff. And then it gives some tips on how you could substitute certain things, make pineapple flowers as garnish, all of this stuff. So this looks super tasty. So yeah, awesome. Obviously they couldn't send us things like milk and eggs and stuff, but like most people have like the baking essentials like sugar and all of that at their home, so that's not an issue. Most people have milk and eggs too at home. So I think this was such a fun idea. I love that it's going to motivate me to cook something different. It sounds so amazing, and not only do I get a recipe to make something super yummy, I get all these treats that are all in front of me right now. Like, I'm getting hungry. It looks so good. So I'll just do a really quick recap, and I'll say I think just knowing my personal preferences and tastes, I will like this the most. This is the matcha mock, so the green tea chocolate covered whole macadamias. It sounds so good. Yeah, I guess this is just something totally different. Coconut pudding, so I can have this on my own. That actually, I don't need that for the recipe, it looks like. But I'm definitely gonna use these pineapple sprinkles for the recipe, because look how cute these are. It doesn't call for that or anything, or I'll have to do something with these. These are adorable. And it's gotta be something that's not just me eating them, like I'll have some like friends over or something like that. This looks super yummy. When I have my friends over, we can eat this too. And then of course, like all these healthy like rice cake things, those are definitely something I could eat right now. And these little candies, it can be like my little rewards if I lose some weight and stuff. And hey, maybe this will be good with the cocktail. I usually only drink drinks with a purpose, you know, like caffeine, alcohol, and water. So I'm guessing this will be tasty though, because it's made with water, guava puree, cane sugar, citric acid, and grape skin extract. So yeah, and it's cute too. So if anyone wants any updates, I'll let you know. And this pineapple flavoring essence, I'll have to figure out something to do with this too. I wonder if you can add this into drinks too. Oh, where is my mind? Always on the party. But anyways, I think this is great. So I'm gonna leave the link down below along with the promo code to save 15%. Again, thank you so much, Culture Cakes Kit. Did I say it right this time? I'm sorry, that's a tongue twister for me for some reason, but I thought this was really great. I know you guys just launched. I think you did a great job. Thank you for sharing with me and my subscribers. I love it. And thank you all for being here and unboxing with me. I hope you consider subscribing before you go, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.